What's up, guys? CeroGrubs here. We're over here at Tutu's Taco Shop in San Diego, California. We're here to try the world famous Flamin' Hot burrito and world famous Flamin' Hot mozzarella sticks. Come on, man, let's go check in with Vic. What's up, Vic? How you doing?
You're good. How about yourself?
Man, chilling.
You know.
Getting down?
Yep. Always.
How
you doing?
Man, chilling.
So,
When did you come up with this burrito? Because your spot was the first one I saw it.
yeah,
like
this is like actually, I did this burrito probably, I want to say 3 years ago.
Yeah?
To be exact, yeah.
Okay.
So, like, I launched it out 3 years ago.
Yeah. Okay.
Here we are now making the Flamin' Hot burrito.
Okay. So we're making the outer layer of the Flamin' Hot burrito?
The Flamin' Hot burrito, yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So you just let it sit like this?
Yeah, like you gotta let the tortilla just grill.
Okay. And then you throw the cheese on there like that and it melts?
The cheese right there so it can melt, exactly.
Okay.
That's the only way,
Yeah, you'll get
That's
that
the only
cheesy
way.
bite, right?
that and the only way the hot Cheetos will stick to the tortilla.
Okay. So you're gonna throw hot Cheeto crumbs on here? The hot Cheeto coatings?
Yeah, we do it on the other part. So
Okay.
right here we close it.
Wow. So I found out about this spot about 2 years ago. It was on World Star. I was looking up on my Instagram and I saw it and I looked at the location. It was 10 minutes from my house. I was like, what am I doing? You know, I got to come out here and get this burrito. So I came here, talked to my man Vic. He hooked me up with a Flamin' Hot burrito. Best burrito I tasted by far in San Diego. So give us the fall through of what's going on next.
So now we got right here our golden crispy fries with our fresh steak, carne asada. Other people call it the California burrito, right?
Yeah.
Then we have right here the tortilla. So yeah.
Oh, look at that. You can see the cheese coming out of the mozzarella sticks. So that's how you know there's going to be a cheese pool.
Yeah, that's the cheese pool right there.
And then when you take a bite of it, you taste a little bit of hot Cheeto, right?
Yeah, take everything.
Okay.
Some spice, some cheese, some sauce.
Wow.
Yeah, drink.
And that's the order of 12?
Yeah.
What are your order sizes?
Full dozen.
Okay, full dozen.
Normally we do half dozen.
Okay.
If the customer wants a full dozen, we'll work out a full dozen.
Okay, wow.
Look at that right here.
Oh, that cheese is making me hungry. Add some more hot Cheetos to it.
Why not? Spice it up a little bit. This is our famous Chipotle cream sauce.
Okay.
That's the one.
Wow. Can't wait to try this. Now we're gonna go try out these Flamin' Hot mozzarella sticks. Come on now. Let's try this bad boy out. Dip it in Chipotle sauce. That's what you call a cheese pool right there.
Serialized and then catalog every single fucking
Oh wow. Amazing. Just the right amount of hot Cheeto taste in it.
and then you have a palette of those things.
You can actually taste the mozzarella stick and a little bit of hot Cheetos. It gives it the perfect spice and taste of hot Cheetos. Dip it in Chipotle sauce. And you have your cheese pool. Okay guys, that was delicious, better than I expected. I wish I could eat all of these, but I gotta save some room for the Flamin' Hot burrito coming up next on the menu. So here we have the flaming hot burrito, and I had him throw on some extra sour cream and this secret chipotle sauce for extra flavor. Let's take a bite of it. Let's check how it is. Wow. It literally tastes better every single time I eat it. Every time I eat it, it tastes way better. Amazing. Just the right amount of hot Cheeto in a California burrito. What more can you ask for? Now this flaming hot burrito lives up to the hype every single time, and it tastes better every single time. 10 out of 10. Highly recommended. To Taco Shop. They can mix any hot Cheetos with any kind of Mexican food. They also have Takis. Amazing experience every time. Thank my boy Vic over there for looking out for me and taking care of me every time. Highly recommended. You know, you could see this spot on CeroGrubs anytime. Instagram, CeroGrubs.